what you are seeing here are Treasury bill auction results for the Thursday 2025 auction. These results are of the Treasury bill tender number 20 of 2025. If you are a non-competitive bidder, you are going to ignore these two columns. As a non-competitive bidder, you are not going to suggest any interest rate. You are not going to tell Bank of Zambia the interest that you want. Rather, you are going to accept the interest rate that will be given by Bank of Zambia after the auction. What you want to focus on is, first of all, the tenure. The tenure is this column. The tenure for Treasury bills is 91 days, 182 days, 273 days, and 364 days. So you want to ask yourself, how long would I want to invest? After you have looked at the tenure, of course, you want to also just pay attention to the serial number of the Treasury bill that you are dealing with. During Treasury bills and bond analysis, I'm going to look at these issues here, but for now, you just ignore these columns here. These columns are not giving you money at all, so you just ignore them unless you are doing an analysis. So then you just go now and look at this other important column, which is the cutoff bid price. This column is important because these are the numbers that you are going to put in the Treasury bill profit calculator. These numbers are what determines how much you are going to make when you invest in Treasury bills. The other important column you want to focus on is the cutoff yield rate. The cutoff yield rate is something like the interest rate or the percentage that you expect to make when you invest in a Treasury bill. So if you invest in a 91-day Treasury bill, you expect to make 11%. When you invest in a 182 Treasury bill, you are expected to make 12.75%, and for 273, 13.5%, and 14.5% for the 364 Treasury bill. You can see here that the range is from 11.5%, which is this number here, to 14.5%. This number that is here. To recap, I can say all you need to understand is the tenure and also the cutoff bid price and also the cutoff yield rate. These are the three columns that will make you money. The rest are just noise. Then if you are doing Treasury bill laddering, then the serial number will be important as well, because you want to know which Treasury bill has which serial number. But if you're just buying one Treasury bill and you're not doing Treasury bill laddering, it means that you will also just ignore this column and just focus only on the tenure. In later episodes, I'm going to show you what Treasury bill laddering is, so that you can invest in Treasury bills with confidence. Of course, we are going to be taking this one step at a time. If you've got any challenges with anything to do with Treasury bills or government bonds, you want to use this email address. This email address is very, very important, because once you send your question to this email address, you will be communicated to. You'll be given advice on what to do next. If you've got any questions about treasury bills or government bonds, don't hesitate to ask me. I'll be able to do a video just for you. And if you want to learn more about treasury bills and government bonds, follow my WhatsApp channel. You are going to find a lot of valuable information there. Then if you've got a budget for learning for treasury bills and government bonds, I highly recommend that you join my mentorship program, where we go in detail to discuss advanced strategies concerning treasury bills and government bonds investing. This is John Chipeta, your treasury bills and government bonds coach. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and like this video.